Hello, today we're going to make the Lazy Woman's Easy Peach Cobbler with 1 cup self-rising flour, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup milk, 1 stick of butter melted, 2 large cans of sliced peaches, and in a 9x13 pan we add the melted butter, then we add peaches, whisk together the first 3 ingredients, the flour, sugar, and milk, and pour over the top of the peaches and bake in a 350 oven till it's brown on top, as brown as you like it. And then when you take it out, cool it just a little bit and try it. But this is very easy to do. I use white lily flour, and the peaches are pretty much okay, but I use the peaches in the heavy syrup, so I don't want it to be mixed with the pear juice. I don't want it to taste like pears. And I bake it, like I said, in a 9x13 pan. And I try to add just a little bit of ginger. I didn't put that in the recipe, but if you like a little ginger, the recipe doesn't call for it, but I like just a little bit of it sprinkled in there on top of the peaches. And the dough will it's thin. The dough, when you whisk it together, it'll be thin, but just pour it over top of it, and when it bakes, you don't have to pour all that liquid that's in the can in there, but if you have a spoon that you're dipping up the peaches with, some of the liquid, some of the juice in the peaches will automatically come with it. Don't try not to get it, so let it come in there like that, and it'll be good and moist, and it's just absolutely delicious. This is very, very good, and let me know what you think about it. Try this. It's very easy. If you have guests coming over and you want to fix a great dessert, this is the one. And it's very easy. I have other easy recipes to do, like the peanut butter pie is very easy. And this Lazy Woman's Easy Peach Cobbler. And of course, you can do it with other fruit, but I think the peach is just great. I have done this with blackberries too, and it's really good with blackberries. And also, if you had red raspberries, it would be good with that too. But give this a try and let me know what you think. And remember to like and subscribe to my channel for more of Cooking with Sharon's recipes. Thank you.